Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Lava Mobile guys phone restart setting. How to restart Lava Mobile. Friends, you want to restart your Lava Mobile, so how to restart Lava Mobile one by one, and guys step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you want to restart your Lava Mobile, and today friends we will restart Lava Mobile with shortcut setting. And friends, now let's see how to restart long while without press any button. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on device. So friends, scroll it, and friends, in your lava mobile friends, click here security setting, or not friends, security setting. First click here assistant setting, and friends click here accessibility setting. After accessibility setting friends, you can use talkback setting, magnification shortcut setting friends if you want. So friends, you can zoom on your screen, tap here and you can zoom on screen, and you don't want to use, you can turn off magnification shortcut setting. Friends, click here accessibility menu shortcut setting and allow your accessibility menu shortcuts. After allow friends, you can see three dot on your lava mobile screen. So friends, click here, and friends, you can use lava mobile shortcut setting. Example friends, you can lock screen without press any button. Click here and guys the screen will lock automatic. So like that friends, you can use lava mobile shortcut setting. And friends, you can take a screenshot without any button, without any three finger. And friends, you want to check notification, so friends click here, you can check notification. And friends, quick setting you want to check, so you can check, and you can on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, torch, screen recording. So friends, click here power setting. You want to power off your lava mobile, you can power off. After power off guys, you will have to press long power button. And friends, you don't want to press any button, so friends click here restart. Guys, automatic your phone will off, and friends, automatic your phone will on. Don't press any button, only wait for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, phone on. So like that friends, you can restart your lava mobile with shortcut setting. So friends, after 15 and 20 second phone will on, and friends you can swipe, you can unlock your lava mobile. And friends, you don't want to use the shortcut setting, so friends click here setting, accessibility setting, and off accessibility menu shortcut setting. After offense, you cannot use lava mobile phone shortcut setting, you cannot restart, you cannot power off your lava mobile with shortcut setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.